A very vibrant good evening to our chief guest, who is going to arrive in a while. Invited dignitaries, members of trust, SMC, parents, and dear students. On this delightfully crisp January evening, I warmly welcome each one of you. आप सबका हार्दिक वंदन है, अभिनंदन है। एक अरसे से हम इस शाम की प्रतीक्षा कर रहे थे। Today we have reasons to rejoice. It's the celebration of our school's annual day. Vibrant 2018, the most awaited event of the year. The day ahead is filled with lots of fun-filled, enthusiastic, memorable performances by our kids. Each day of school is filled with lots of academic, sports, arts, music, dance, value education, and project-based activities. In the process of learning, we don't waste even a single minute. यह कहना ठीक ही होगा कि हम बच्चों के समय का सदुपयोग कर उनको पहले से भी अधिक हर दिन अच्छा बनाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। हमारे प्यारे बच्चे इसमें हमारा पूरा साथ दे रहे हैं और हम सब अच्छे परिणामों की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं। In our school, we encourage celebration of all festivals and important days to teach our kids the importance of integration and unity. Calendar of each month brings events and activities which are organized in school, keeping in mind interest of our students. This year, we designed our morning assembly in an informative and value-based manner by organizing class-wise, house-wise, and special assembly based on themes. सुबह सुबह असेंबली में रोज आने वाले विचार, समाचार, संगीत, ड्रिल, भाषण, क्विज आदि ने हमारे बच्चों के सर्वांगीण विकास में मदद की है। आज हमारे बच्चे चाहे अंग्रेजी हो, चाहे हिंदी हो, चाहे मराठी हो, अपनी बोलने की शैली से सबका मन मोह लेते हैं। This year was filled with lots of inter-house, inter-class, open for all competitions to boost the confidence of our students and to develop sportsmanship spirit. Now, I would like to share the names of winners in the various inter-house, co-curricular activities and sports competitions. In the first World Mixed Boxing Championship, which was held in Rajasthan on 28th May, Parth Bhoge and Kajal Bhoge and Nupur More bagged silver medal. Shreyas Maskar and Nihar More bagged gold medal. In the second National Mixed Boxing Championship held at Gujarat on December 2018, Parth Bhoge and Sohaib Sheikh won bronze medal. Shreyas Maskar and Nupur More with Nihar won gold medal. Nihar More, Nupur More, Omkar Binge and Shreyas Maskar also won black belt and won the trophy. I would like to appreciate the efforts made by the parent of these children and their coach, Mr. Rakesh Maskar. In the inter-school sports competitions, in the category of Kabaddi boys, Blue House stood first, Green House second, Yellow House third, and Red House fourth. In Kho-Kho category of boys, Blue House stood first, Yellow House bagged second position, and Red House third, and Green House fourth. In football competition, Blue House first, Yellow House second, Red House third, and Green House fourth. Our PTI, Mr. Bharat Gurav, has done a wonderful job in organizing all these events. In the inter-house co-scholastic competitions, in the elocution competition, in Group A, Sahil Matre of Firehouse bagged first position, Anya Ratan of Waterhouse bagged second position, Janvi Sinde of Firehouse bagged third position. In Group B, Aditya Mansule of Water House bagged first position, Prasad Lahane of Air House bagged second position, and Isha of Fire House and Pankaj of Earth House bagged third position. In the inter-house board decoration competition, which was held in the month of August, Fire House was in first position, Water House was in second position, and Air House was in third position. In the solo dance competition, Anya Ratan of Water House bagged first position, Suchita Vishwas of Earth House bagged second position, Utkarsh Maskar of Water House bagged third position. In solo singing competition, Anya Ratan of Water House bagged first position, Suchita Vishwas of Earth House bagged second position, and Janvi Sinde from Fire House and Ashish Sitath from Water House bagged third position. In the inter-house club board decoration competition, first position was bagged by Air House and Fire House, and second position was bagged by Earth House and Water House. In the inter-house board display competition, which was held in the month of January, Air House bagged first position, Fire House, Water House, and Earth House bagged second position. So I would like to appreciate efforts made by all the house masters, house teachers, and CCA in charges. In the primary section also, we had held so many competitions for children. In the fancy dress competition, Arya Desmukh of Fire House stood first, Imam Hafiz of Air House stood second, Vishwajit Rathod of Air House stood third. In the inter-house role play competition, it was a group competition, and the Water House group bagged the first position, and the participants were Rituraj, Aryan, Varad, Indrayani, Pranav, and Siddhi. Water House quiz competition, it was also group competition. Nidhi, Dalvi, and Anurag stood first position. From the Air House also, Shravan, Swamini, Iram, Harshada, and Sahil and Pranjal bagged first position. CCA in charge, Miss Supriya Khade, and CCA activities which she took. For that, I want to congratulate her. It's time to share our planning, a roadmap for future. We are firmly determined to mentor our 2020 grade 10 CBSE students batch to bring 100% result. हम ऐसी योजना बनाएंगे जिससे बच्चों को पूरी मदद मिले. To encourage students to participate in Olympiad and inter-school competitions, to train each girl of our school the art of self-defense by training in one of the forms of martial arts, to organize Sahodaya level staff training program. Last but not the least, we would like to emphasize more and more on language skills and analytical skills of our students. So dear audience, we are here today to celebrate the strength of our children, celebrate the musical and dancing talents of our children. It is very well said that children are like wet clay. Whatever falls on them, that makes an impression. अब सब कुछ आपके हाथों में है. बच्चों की मेहनत को आप सराहेंगे और पसंद आने पर तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से उनका उत्साहवर्धन करेंगे. ऐसी मेरी आपसे विनती है. धन्यवाद.